There are over 30 million homes in the United States that are not hooked up to a municipal sewer system and have to treat and dispose of their sewage on their own property. Sewage must be treated because raw or untreated sewage is a major cause of public health and environmental concerns. The most common method used to treat raw sewage by homeowners is a standard septic system. A standard septic system has 5 components. First, a sewer pipe carrying both liquid and solid waste from your home to your septic tank. Second, a septic tank. This is usually a watertight container made of concrete or fiberglass. Third, a pipe carrying treated liquid, commonly called effluent, from your septic tank to your drain field. Fourth, a drain field or leach field, which is used to distribute the effluent over a wide area. And lastly, the soil in and around your drain field. Some septic tanks have risers and lids put into them, as you can see here. This gives direct access into the interior of the septic tank from the surface of the ground and allows for easy location, inspection, and pumping of the tank. Your septic tank is designed to use the soil and the microscopic community of bacteria living in the soil to remove as many of the impurities from the effluent as possible. The problem is that the standard septic tank is anaerobic. There is no air or free oxygen, and the right kind of bacteria can't live and thrive without free oxygen. The septic tank is designed to catch and hold organic solids. It collects kitchen and human waste and releases liquid without any solids to the drain field. Septic tanks can have 1 or more chambers. The one shown here has 2 chambers separated by a wall with a hole in it to allow liquid to flow from the first chamber to the second while holding back solid waste. Solids entering the first chamber settle to the bottom, forming sludge. Some solids, such as grease and paper, float on top, forming scum. It's typically required maintenance to pump the tank every 3 to 5 years. Pumping removes the solids to prevent them from leaving the tank and building up in the drain field. Excessive buildup of organic waste in the drain field causes premature failure of the field. Here we see a typical leach field. Common drain field designs are leach trenches, fields and beds, chamber systems, mounds, seep pits, and cesspools. Every time water is used in the home, water and solid waste enter the tank and causes an equal volume of wastewater to flow to the drain field. In the field, the water percolates through the stone bed and enters the soil. Although most of the organic solids are captured in the tank, some does find its way into the drain field, carrying with it anaerobic bacteria. When the bacteria reach the soil around the drain field, they secrete a mucus-like slime to protect themselves. Over time, the slime clogs the soil so wastewater can't flow through it, causing your drain field to fail. This slime buildup is called biomat, and it's the most common cause of septic tank failure. When liquid cannot be absorbed by the soil as quickly as it enters the septic tank, the system backs up. Drains begin to run slowly, and sewage may enter sinks and tubs. Outside, bad odors develop, while pools of surfacing effluent appear in the yard. This is typical of septic tank failure. Until now, there was only one option to fix the problem: replace your drain field. This is a major expense and requires digging up your yard. Pumping the septic tank, jetting the leach lines, adding chemicals and biological treatments to the system are temporary fixes at best. The only long-term way to restore your system is to change the community of bacteria in your tank. You need the right kind of aerobic bacteria that devours organic waste and anaerobic intestinal bacteria. These are called facultative aerobes, and with them in your tank, you can reduce or eliminate the amount of organic material leaving the tank. When the aerobes reach the drain field, they quickly break down the biomat and restore the drain field to fully functioning. Septic Genie is uniquely designed to grow huge colonies of facultative aerobes in your septic tank and send them into your drain field to restore it. With a properly operating Septic Genie in your septic tank, your drain field won't fail again due to biomat clogging of the soil. By eliminating the anaerobic intestinal bacteria, you'll remove the source of the biomat, and the aerobes will eliminate the biomat itself. We supply you with the right bacteria community, the Septic Genie in which to grow them, and an air pump to provide the oxygen-rich environment they need to thrive. Septic Genie works 24/7 to restore and protect your entire septic system. Once the biomat's been removed, liquid will percolate through the soil again and your drain field will be restored. Any surfacing sewage will dry up and grass will grow again. Septic Genie will benefit you in these ways. It completely restores your drain field without the expense and inconvenience of digging up your yard and replacing your field. Septic Genie starts working immediately to restore your field. You'll see a big improvement in your drain field in just a few weeks. It eliminates septic odors, so you never have to smell them again. Septic Genie is easy to install. There's no disruption to your household while you do it. It digests all organic matter in your septic tank, allowing you to stop regular pumping. Septic Genie is simple technology with one moving part, so you don't need to worry about it breaking down. It's patented, proven technology with professional third-party testing. You're not taking chances on the unknown. Septic Genie is environmentally friendly. You'll have peace of mind that you're not polluting the environment. It's easy to maintain. One annual bacteria recharge is all it needs. It's the most effective solution to septic failure available. Septic Genie comes with a performance guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied that the Septic Genie has significantly restored drainage within 6 months of your purchase, just return it to us and we will refund your money.